Home security cameras such as Ring, Nest, and others have been under fire recently for sharing user footage with law enforcement without consent. Fox 43's Tyler Hatfield spoke with legal experts about what it means for users and the best way to understand your privacy and rights.
Who can see your security footage? Ring and other home security camera providers are facing criticisms from privacy activists blaming these companies for sharing user footage to law enforcement.
Unless they have probable cause and, in most cases, exigent circumstances, then they cannot go after evidence without getting a warrant first.
A spokesperson from Amazon, maker of the popular Ring camera, gave a statement to Fox 43 stating that on rare occasions they provide information to law enforcement on an emergency basis. But Baguette sees through the ambiguous language and sees that companies can have a lot of wiggle room in their terms of service.
Terms of service create an exception or any kind of loophole for them to turn over your content without your consent. Then they can do that.
Some companies will directly tell people what these terms of services are.
But a lot of companies don't, and they bury it in the fine print.
Baguette says it's important for consumers to recognize when changes are made and to stay on top of what services they are agreeing to.
In a perfect world, these companies would give full disclosure when they're making a material change to these terms of service that contains things that people are going to want to know, such as, hey, we might turn over your content to law enforcement against your will or without your knowledge.
Most of the time, Baguette says it's up to the consumer to read the fine print in order to know your rights. Tyler Hatfield, Fox 43 News.